Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2021 230 Cruiser by Harris. It's 230 Cruiser by Harris, powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 150. It has the large single lounge seat with the backrest that flips forward or backwards, depending on which way you'd like to sit. Also equipped with dual captain's chairs, recline and swivel, side entry door. It has the Fusion stereo system. Has your gauges down on the side, new for 2021. Also has a little dashboard here with charging ports. Cup holders, all stainless steel. Large seating in the bow. Movable cup holder. Large entry door in the bow. It does have the large bimini top that's noted with Harris pontoons. Stainless steel hardware, more cup holders. Has the extended rear deck. Also has a stainless steel railing to allow your passengers to sit in the back of the boat while the boat is underway. This particular boat is black with a gray interior, gray seagrass. If you'd like to take a look at this Harris, give me a call. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168, MarineMax Lake Norman. Look forward to talking to you.